Good morning, dear students. Today I will discuss the other question of group 17 element, that is question number 76. Up to 75 question from 62 to 75 questions of group 17 already discussed in my previous video. So today I will start question number 76. Question number 76. Okay, this is the question of related to arrangement in increasing order of their acidic strength and explain why. So acidic strength কি কৰি arrange কৰিব লাগে? Number A HOCl HOI HOBr, increasing order of acidic strength and explain why. This is first question. So these are most important questions. 76 all questions are important. These are related to oxoacids of halogen. গতিকে আমি প্ৰথমতে ইয়াৰ ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰটো আঁকিব লাগিব, এনচাৰটো হোৱাইটো ফৰ এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন অফ হোৱাই ক্লোৰিন ইজ দিছ ওৱান, দেন অক্সিজেন, দেন হাইড্ৰজেন. চ' হিয়াৰ প্ৰেজেণ্ট 3 lone pair of electron, 3 lone pair of electron. Now chlorine, then bromine, iodine, then bromine to agiso Br, similarly oxygen, hydrogen, this one, and this one. Then HOI, iodine, oxygen, hydrogen, lone pair, lone pair, lone pair. Now see here, as the electronegativity is same, OH, OH same, I, Cl, Br, I, these are different halogen, and they are all are remain 1 C3 lone pair electron. As the electronegativity of chlorine is more than bromine, and bromine electronegativity is more than iodine, so which is really H plus ion so easily. As the electronegativity more, it would draw that this pair of bond pair of electron, which bond pair electron toward this side is more, so it is easily released, so it is higher than this one, higher than this one. Similarly this is more, তাতকে এইটো আছে, ইয়াতকে অলপ কমকৈ টানিব, এই গতিকে অলপ লাহেকৈ এৰিব, ইয়াতকে তাতকৈ আৰু কমকৈ টানিব আৰু অলপ, গতিকে ইট ইজ যে ডিক্ৰিজিং অৰ্ডাৰত ৰাখিছোঁ, গতিকে ইনক্ৰিজিং অৰ্ডাৰত ৰাখিব হ'লে কি কৰিব লাগিব? আয়ডিনটো চবতকৈ কম, HOI is less than increasing order HOBr is greater than HOCl. These are proper order. আৰু arrangement structure to আঁকি পেলাই কি বুজাই দিব লাগিব? As the electronegativity of chlorine is more than bromine, so OH bond is more polar and easily release H plus ion, so it is more acidic in nature than this one. Again, this is more acidic than due to electronegativity. Okay, this is question number 76A. Then question number 76B. Question number 76B. 76B. ইয়াত দিয়া আছে HBrO4, HiO4, HClO4. Same structure. So প্ৰথমতে ক্লোৰিন, ব্ৰমিন, আয়োডিনটো চবতকৈ কম হ'ব, ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ সেম, অক্সিজেন, হাইড্ৰোজেন, চাৰিটা আছে 1 2 3 4 5 6, instead of lone pair electron, instead of lone pair 1 oxygen. This is the structure. This is less than Br to oxygen to hydrogen, this bond, and this bond. Then chlorine, oxygen, hydrogen, this pair, and this pair. Ultimately, gradually increases. Why increases? All have same oxidation state. Sorry, yate oxygen দিব লাগিব, double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen. This for this one, this for it, and this is also double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen, double bond oxygen for the structure of this one. So gradually increases. Why increases? Same conception. So chlorine is more electronegative than bromine, bromine is more electronegative than iodine. So as the electronegative merges more, so this bond is withdrawal polarity, this bond, OH bond is more polar here, and H plus ion is easily released. Then question number C. Question number C of group 17 element 76 question number. this is C is most important. Let's go take a logo as AClO3, AClO2, AClO, AClO4. All are chlorine. One oxygen here, 2 oxygen, 3 oxygen, and 4 oxygen. The oxidation, if we find the oxidation structure here, Cl is this one. Cl is this one. Oxygen, hydrogen, 1 lone pair, 2 lone pair, 3 lone pair, because chlorine have 7 valence group, 7 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 7. This structure is this one. This is for this one. Another Cl2 at oxygen, they are at a double bond of oxygen. Cl, this oxygen and this hydrogen, lone pair, this is the oxygen, this one. 3 Cl, oxygen, hydrogen, 2 oxygen is here. Cl, oxygen, hydrogen, 1 2 3 4, this one Cl4. Now see here only 1 oxygen, here 2 oxygen, here 3 oxygen, here 4 oxygen. If we find the oxidation state, this one -2 +1, here +1 oxidation state, here +3, here +5. If you find the oxidation state, +5, and here +7. If +1 oxidation state is here, so OH bond is less polar. Here bond to okoman lahe ke tanibo. Here +3, withdrawing capacity more. Here +5, again more and more. Again +7, withdrawing capacity more. It bond pair electron shifted to a distant more. As the positive oxidation state increases, as the positive oxidation state of central metal atom increases, so ক্ৰমান্বয়ে কি পোলাৰিটিটো বাঢ়ি যাব, H প্লাছ আয়নটো ইয়াত কি বেছিকৈ টানি দিয়াৰ লগত জড়িত ইলেক্ট্ৰন সোনকালে H প্লাছ আয়নটো ইয়াৰ পৰা ৰিলিজ হৈ যাব. So acidic strength increases. So gradually acidic strength increases in this order. And why? If we explanation, why? Because positive oxidation state of the central metal increases, so polarity of the bond is increases. As a result, OH bond polarity is more, polarity is here, so it is easily read. Another, number of oxygen also increases. So electronegative group to বাঢ়ি আছে, উদ্দীন to বেছি হ'ব, উদ্দীন capacity বাঢ়ি যাব, গতিকে ইয়াতে এচিডিক অৰ্ডাৰটো বাঢ়ি যাব। এইটো কাৰণটো হ'ল এই এটা দিব লাগিব অক্সিডেশ্যন ষ্টেট, এনাদাৰ পইণ্ট নাম্বাৰ অফ অক্সিজেন। দিছ কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 76. 3 questions is here. Then question number 77. Question number 77. Halogen have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy in the periodic table. Why? Kyo halogen bilakor chlorine, bromine, iodine, halogen bilakor negative electron gain enthalpy kyo? The group 17 of A, group 17, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Why they have negative electron gain? Because they are easily gain 1 electron and convert to group 18 noble gas configuration. Itu karone easily gain 1 electron and easily convert to noble gas configuration. Group 18 লৈ convert হৈ যাব পাৰে, গতিকে সিহঁতৰ টেন্ডেন্সি টো বেছি হয়। Okay, only 1 electron. 77. Then question number 78. Question number 78. Etu ki dile, although electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is negative as compared to chlorine, fluorine is strong oxidizing agent than chlorine. Kyo karone hoy? Jodi electron gain enthalpy less hoy, fluorine size is very small, chlorine size yat kintu electron to gain koribo nar karon due to electron repulsion hobo pare. Kintu fluorine is the strong oxidizing agent than chlorine. Okay, because fluorine very smaller in size and electron repulsion is take place here. Electron repulsion, although electron in fluorine is less negative than as compared to chlorine is a strong oxidizing agent than chlorine. Because why? Because fluorine to size to whole hoy or electron repulsion to yat besike hoy, gotike ei bond to weaker hoy. This bond is weaker, fluorine bond is weaker, easily dissociate. It is not bond is not easily dissociate. This is the proper answer of the question. This question number 76. 78. And question number 79. মই ইয়াতে দেখুৱাই দিছোঁ question number 79 or hints দিছোঁ. Fluorine exhibit minus oxidation state, halogen exhibit other halogen exhibit. Fluorine অকল এটা এইটো ডিসকাস কৰা হৈছিল, fluorine অকল chlorine অকল -1 দেখুৱায় কিন্তু বাকী হেলোজেনবিলাক chlorine bromine or other halogen -1 টো থাকিবই তাৰপিছত +1 +3 +5 and +7 দেখুৱায় কাৰণটো হৈছে কি ফ্লোৰিনত কি very smaller in the absence of d orbital and very smaller in size so it can only gain only one electron সৰু সাইজৰ কাৰণে ইলেক্ট্ৰন এৰিব নোৱাৰে কিন্তু ইয়াত due to presence of d orbital other halogen can donate the electron donate কৰিবৰ কাৰণে পজিটিভ অক্সিজেন দিছে কিন্তু ইয়াৰ সাইজটো সৰু d orbital নথকাৰ কাৰণে সৰুৰ কাৰণে ইলেক্ট্ৰন এৰিব নোৱাৰাৰ কাৰণে only -1 oxidation state দেখুৱায় this is a example or question হয় okay then question number 79 also clear question number 80 question number 80 question number 80 consider the parameter of such bond dissociation enthalpy electron enthalpy hydrogen enthalpy compared to oxidizing power of chlorine and chlorine same type question is this one next same একে ধৰণৰ question হয় আগৰ questionটোৰ লগত parameter এখিনি bond dissociation discuss কৰা আছে গতিকে এখিনি চাই ল'বা question number 81 write the balanced chemical equation of chlorine with hot concentrated sodium hydroxide short it is hot disproportionation reaction chlorine লগত hot sodium hydroxide reaction to is this is disproportionation reaction হয় নে নহয় okay chlorine with sodium hydroxide yes this is a disproportionation reaction the balanced chemical equation to লিখিবলগীয়া হয় এটা chlorine with hot sodium hydroxide chlorine with hot sodium hydroxide so question is this one question number 81 write the balanced chemical equation reaction of chlorine with hot and concentrated NaOH is the reaction this for hot and concentrated NaOH so this is hot and concentrated ইয়াত কি হ'ব সোডিয়াম আছে ক্লোরিন আছে সোডিয়াম ক্লোরাইড ফর্ম হ'ব sodium chloride plus sodium ClO3 and 3H2O okay these are product okay now for balancing it balance কৰিব লাগিব ইফালে balance কৰি লবা ইয়াতে 3 আহিব ইয়াতে 6 আহিব ইয়াতে 5 আহিব আৰু ইবিলাকত 3 আহিব এইখিনি balance easy reaction is this is a reaction so chlorine with hot sodium NaCl দিয়া আছে কিয় নষ্ট দিয়া আছে এইখিনি this is a reaction is the reaction is disproportionation ইয়াত chlorine 0 আছে ইয়াত chlorine oxidation state 0 but here -1 আৰু ইয়াতে কি পাবা -6 +1 here +5 here +5 so those two sides one is simultaneously oxidized and reduced so it is a disproportionation reaction then question number last question of group 17 element is that last question to dia ase group 17 or element so last question of group 17 element that is when HCl is reacted with finally but this is an important reaction and in text when this one just I will give the hints when HCl is reacted with finely powdered iron it forms ferric chloride গতিকে আয়নৰ লগত যদি ক্লোরিনে রিয়েক্ট করে it form FeCl FeCl2 not FeCl3 FeCl3 form নকৰে when chlorine is from with this one finely powdered iron it form ferric chloride not ferrous chloride why HCl লগত this is not HCl লগত react কৰে so again I will repeat this question so iron is react with HCl it form FeCl2. Cl2, it is not from FeCl3. Here oxidation state is here oxidation state. Here oxidation state is Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus. Actually Fe2 plus is less stable. Itu hamar form hobo nalagse, itu hobo lagise. Kintu yat in this case FeCl3 is not formed. Fe3 plus is stable. This is ferric and this is ferrous. Ferrous ion is unstable, ferric ion is stable. Kintu yet in this case it is formed only ferric ion to stable hobo, kintu etu nohoy. Karon to ki in presence in the reaction, if you consider the reaction, so iron, this iron plus HCl, gotike FeCl2 plus H2. At balance korbo lage, duta hydrogen dibo lagibo, and due to presence of iron, release of hydrogen in the reaction of iron and HCl, they are released FeCl2 and hydrogen. Okay, and due to release of hydrogen in hydrogen in presence of iron, it is a reducing agent. Reducing agent howa karone ki ইয়াৰ পৰা Fe2 পৰা Fe3 পৰা ৰিডাকশ্যন হোৱাত বাধা দিয়ে, সেইটো কাৰণে এইটো নহয়। তো এনচাৰটো লিখি ল'ব, কাৰণটো কি ইন দ্য ৰিয়েকশ্যনটো দিবা FeCl ইয়াৰ পৰা হাইড্ৰজেন ৰিলিজ কৰে। হাইড্ৰজেন ইন প্ৰেজেন্স অফ আইৰন ইজ এ ৰিডিউচিং এজেন্ট হুইচ কেন প্ৰিভেণ্ট দ্য ৰিডাকশ্যন অফ which can prevent the oxidation of Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus to convert what battery, because it is a presence of iron. Hydrogen in presence of iron is a reducing agent. But hetu kan iar pora Fe2 plus or pora Fe3 plus lo convert what battery kune hydrogen in presence of iron. Etu ei hinir karone it is not convert to this one, it is remaining this one. This is a example question and very important question for exam. Okay, thank you for today. গতিকে তোমালোকৰ গ্ৰুপ 17 ইয়াৰ ওপৰত কুৱেশ্যনৰ পৰা গোটেইখিনি নোটছৰ পৰা ডিছকাছ কৰা হ'ল। From next class I will discuss another unit that is your another part of the group P block element, that is group 18 element. Already some notes are given and some questions also given and discussion also take place partially. So from next class I will start and discuss of group 18 element. Thank you for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.